Good evening. Today is November 13, 2023 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, November 13, 2023. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 13, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Monday, November 13, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.